Hate cleaning but love a neat closet? Here's how you can go from cluttered to clean without losing your Saturday. Let's get into it. Step 1. Empty the closet completely. Yep, take everything out. Clothes, shoes, boxes, even that mystery bag you forgot about. As you go, sort your stuff into 3 piles. Keep, donate or sell, and trash. You'll thank yourself later. Step 2. Dust and vacuum. Grab a microfiber cloth and hit every shelf, rod, and corner. Then vacuum or sweep the floor, paying attention to those sneaky crevices. If you've got carpet, give it a deeper clean every once in a while. Step 3. Clean all the surfaces. Wipe down shelves, walls, rods, and hooks with a damp cloth and a mild cleaner or vinegar solution. And don't forget the doors and handles. They get grimy too. Step 4. Got odors or mold? Baking soda or activated charcoal can absorb funky smells. For mold, use a vinegar solution or mold remover. Just remember gloves. Step 5. Organize as you put things back. Only keep what you actually use or love. Group similar items and use baskets or bins to really maximize your space. Step 6. Add freshness. Cedar blocks, lavender sachets, or dryer sheets will keep things smelling amazing. And if your closet gets humid, toss in a dehumidifier pack. Quick clean every month, deep clean every season, and you'll never dread opening that closet door again. Too busy to clean? Call Bear Brothers at 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com and make your home Beary Clean.